Hi guys, this is Delia from Delia's Place. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute and a half or maybe 2 minutes since I have done a video, and as I always say, life happens, but guess what, I'm back. So I'll be putting out 3 videos today, right? And hopefully I'll complete editing all 3 today. I've edited 1 so far, so I'm going to edit the other 3 and the other 2 and try to get them up today or tomorrow, but they'll be up very soon. I have decided to start doing some gym tutorials, some gym videos. I've decided to really start taking you guys to the gym because I have really started getting some serious results at the gym. And when I look at YouTube or Instagram photos are hella, they are so photoshopped, it's out of this world. YouTube, they are on supplements and all of this. You hardly see somebody real who is going to the gym, getting results and wanting to share it. They share the before and after, but most times the in between are not shown. You know what the struggle it takes. You see them when they're either perfect, they see them when they're perfect, and they show you a before picture and say, this is how I was before. But really they don't really show you the most people don't show you the in-betweens. They don't show you the blood, the sweat, the tears. They don't show you that part. They show you the glamour part. So since I have started to get a little results, and I have been at this for a long time, I am thinking that I'm more than qualified to really show you what's up. So in this first video, this is just an introduction video to what is to come. So this one, you're going to see me doing arms in this one. Now I know that arms are a struggle for most people because of the bat wings under here. I have not eliminated mine, but they're going. You know, I had them really bad, so they're going. And what I have done, I have started lifting heavier at the gym, and I do a lot of arm exercises. I do my bicep curls and I do my triceps exercises at least twice a week most times. And I've also changed my diet because you cannot get rid of fat without dieting, and dieting doesn't mean that you're going to starve. Dieting doesn't mean that you cannot have your favorite foods. Dieting means that dieting means that we can eat moderately and maintain what we have or get rid of what we have. So I do have cheat days. I have those days when I go for ice cream. I have those days where I still go get my fast food, right? But for the majority of the time, there are things that I have cut out of my diet. I have stopped eating bread. I have cut down on rice. I haven't totally stopped eating rice yet, but I intend to. I have decreased my salt intake. I have decreased my fried food intake. I have decreased my sugary intake. I have stopped drinking soda. I probably drink soda now probably once a month. I don't know. I drink mostly water. I drink a gallon of water per day. Most times I get through a gallon of water per day. Sometimes life happens and I don't get to drink as much, but I get to near to 1 gallon as possible, right? The first thing I do in the morning, I guess I'm giving you a rundown now of what I do to lose weight fast. The first thing I do in the morning when I get up is drink water. Now I've been reading also that some people do not encourage you to brush your teeth or anything before you drink water, and personally that's not what I do. And I'm not going to sit here and go with what the hype is saying, because the purpose for drinking water the first thing in the morning is to rehydrate yourself, because you have been sleeping for over 8 hours, over 8 hours sometimes, or 8 hours or a little bit less than 8 hours. So your body needs back the fluid that it has lost during the night time. So you need to get your liver going, your brain going, your little cells up and running. So that is the purpose of drinking water in the morning. It also helps to increase your metabolism as well. So really there's no indication that says to me that it is necessary for me to get up in the morning and drink water without brushing my teeth. I'm not knocking anybody's process, but it doesn't work for me. So I brush my teeth before. So you're more than welcome to brush your teeth too, should you decide to do that. After about an hour and a half, I will eat my breakfast. My breakfast may consist of just a blended shake, a blended protein shake, which may include peanuts and oats. We have peanuts and oats for fiber, and you can use almond milk or you can use fat-free milk to get that together. You don't use any sweetener. If you want to, you can add a banana for sweetening. I try not to use any sweetener. For lunch, it's usually protein and my veggies and water. For dinner, I probably have the same thing, or I have something lighter. I will be doing a little bit of recipes in the future, but basically that is what my diet consists of right now. At the gym, I go heavy because I am trying to lose weight, but for the life of me, I hate cardio. I cannot go on the treadmill and run for 15 minutes. I just cannot. I hate cardio. And it was a blessed day that I discovered that I could lose weight and not do as much cardio. Yes, you can. Apart from exercise, apart from dieting, I have discovered that the more muscle I build, the more the fat is going to burn and replace the muscle is going to replace the fat. So that it's basically a slower process, but it works. It works for me like a charm, right? So I have started to see a little definition in my chest, in my arms, in my legs, and I have got rid of my back fat. It is not like totally gone, but it's no longer a total bother. It used to be a real bother, but now I am happy to take my clothes off and look at my back. I'm just loving my results in the mirror. I'm able to wear my little dresses, my little blouses, and not worry about this back fat or trying to loosen up my bra a bit so that it doesn't look so bad. I can wear what I want. I have a major issue with my abdomen. It is like the devil. It's just terrible. It's so easy for you to get on the fat on your tummy and so much harder to get off. But reducing rice, reducing white flour, reducing soda, reducing sugar, and reducing your salt intake, or totally eliminating those from your diet, will reduce puffiness, will reduce the amount of fat that is in your tummy and stuff. But I will get into all of that. This is just an introduction video to what is to come. Alright, so please enjoy the visuals from this video and the other 2 videos that I will have coming out, and very shortly I will be going into the tutorials. I'll be taking you to the gym with me. These videos were filmed with my phone. They were filmed this way as opposed to this way, so therefore they're not up to the quality that I would like to be giving you, but I will now be taking my camera to the gym, so therefore my quality will improve significantly. And as usual, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the like button. Share this with your friends, family, and neighbors. And as usual, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.